So today's objective is to make a model to show addition. We're going to be adding today 356 plus 382. The first thing I ask students to do is to kind of stretch this out so they have some space because this modeling does take some space. We're going to start by looking at the hundreds. So there are 300s in 356, and we're going to represent each of those with a rectangle. Same thing over here, 300s. Next up is we're going to look at our tens place. So we have 5 tens here, and we have 8 tens here. And finally, our ones, so 6 ones and 2 ones. Now we're going to start by looking at our ones and seeing if we have enough to make a 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, not enough to make a 10. When we move to our tens, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we take 2 from here, we actually can regroup these. So these 10 ones can, these 10 tens can actually be brought up here to make 100. 10 tens are 100. Now I'm going to check my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds. Not enough to regroup. I'm going to take those 700s and start to write my answer. When I count out my tens, I'm not going to count these tens that have already been regrouped to make 100. I've already counted them in the hundreds place. I'm only going to count these 3 tens that were not regrouped. And finally, I'm going to count my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 738. The last step is to check by stacking, which you've heard me say with every strategy. It's always a good idea to have the students double check when they're using a new strategy. 6 and 2 is 8, 8 and 5 is 13, and 3, 3 and 1 is 7. These do check out, which helps me know that I did not make a mistake with my new model.